Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure WordPress SEO with Rank Math for beginners, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring WordPress SEO with Rank Math, first, log in to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Plugins section and click on Add New. In the search bar, type Rank Math and hit Enter. Once you find the Rank Math SEO plugin, click Install Now. After the installation is complete, click Activate. You will be greeted by the Rank Math Setup Wizard. Begin the setup process by clicking Start Wizard. The first step will ask for account connection. You can either connect your Rank Math account or skip this step. If you choose to connect, follow the prompts to log in or create an account. Once connected, you will move on to the next step, which will analyze your website. Rank Math will notify you about the suggested settings, which you can review. Proceed to the General Settings page to configure basic options. Enable or disable features like local SEO, image SEO, and video SEO based on your needs. Next, move to the Titles and Meta section. Here, you can set default title and meta descriptions for your posts and pages. Ensure that the formats align with your branding and SEO strategy. Next, navigate to the sitemap settings. By default, Rank Math will generate an XML sitemap for your site. Customize the settings to include or exclude specific post types or taxonomies. Now, go to the Social Media tab within the settings. Here, you can link your social media profiles to improve your online presence. Move on to the 404 monitor and set it up to track any broken links. This feature will help you identify and fix errors on your site. After configuring these basic settings, click on Save Settings to apply your changes. Now, let's optimize your content with Rank Math. Open a post or page you want to optimize. Scroll down to the Rank Math meta box below the content editor. You will see various options to optimize SEO, including focus keyword and SEO analysis. Enter your focus keyword and click on Analyze. Rank Math will provide suggestions for improving your content's SEO score. Implement the recommended changes for better optimization. Once you're satisfied with the optimization, update or publish your post. Repeat this process for each post or page as needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.